It was a marriage no one witnessed, a love story that never existed, and a cry for help built entirely on lies. In the shadow of America's immigration system, a 31-year-old man from India spun a web of deception so detailed it nearly granted him permanent residency under a law designed to protect victims of domestic violence. But when the courtroom lights came on, the truth was far more sinister and far more calculated than anyone expected. In a significant federal conviction out of Vermont, a 31-year-old Nasir Hussain, an Indian citizen residing in Orlando, Florida, has been found guilty of submitting false information on a U.S. immigration application under the Violence Against Women Act, or VAWA. The verdict came on April 24, 2025, following a two-day jury trial presided over by United States District Judge Joseph Laplate. Hussain was convicted of making a marital false statement in his self-petition for immigration relief and was immediately sentenced to time already served in federal custody. According to the U.S. Attorney Officer, Hussain orchestrated an elaborate scheme starting in 2021, traveling to Connecticut to enter a sham marriage with a U.S. citizen, a woman he never met before or after the ceremony. Court documents revealed Hussain took numerous steps to fabricate the illusion of a real marriage, from purchasing insurance and magazine subscription in his wife's name to ordering merchandise addressed to her. All of it, prosecutor says, was designed to mislead immigration authorities into believing they lived together in Florida. But it didn't stop there. In a further attempt to bolster his fraudulent claim, Hussain even visited a medical facility and falsely alleged he had been abused by his wife, a critical element in applying for a VAWA visa meant to protect genuine victims of domestic violence. The deception unraveled during trial when testimony from the supposed wife and former roommates confirmed she had never even lived in Florida, making any claim of cohabitation and abuse impossible. Hussain's immigration petition was denied, and while this conviction brings one chapter to a close, a separate wire fraud conspiracy case involving him remains under appeal. The U.S. Attorney's Office says it will continue to pursue accountability in immigration fraud cases that exploit laws meant to protect vulnerable individuals.